to my home, Caro!
Your house is really underwater? It's huge, too. Rare in Japan.
You have a cool ride, too. If it wasn't for that, we'd never make it here.
Oh, I got this from the City Hall, Caro. The Japanese is kinda hard.
City Hall? Let me see.
Taxes. Ugh. All this difficult Japanese. Wait, they deliver mail underwater?
Japanese delivery drivers are insane. He's showing off.
He's a professional, Caro. Wait, what do I do about taxes, Caro?
Tsukimi?
You're drenched.
I was in deep thought and wandered into the pond.
Oh.
Japan's tax system is fascinating cultural meaning of filing taxes.
How did you not notice?
You made it this far without realizing?
I was concentrating.
Happens all the time, Caro.
No, it doesn't. You're both weird. Anyway, perfect timing. How do you pay taxes in Japan again?
Please teach us, Caro.
Right.
In Japan, taxes are often paid using payment slips sent by mail.
The easiest way to pay is through convenience stores.
Wow, really?
You just hand it to the cashier. No Japanese needed. Open 24/7.
Just remember, it's cash-only payment.
You can also pay at banks or ATMs.
So many options.
The most convenient method is direct debit. Perfect if you're staying long-term.
Automatic payments? No forgetting? That's nice.
Some cities also support smartphone payments. Just scan the barcode.
That's super convenient.
But there is something important you need to know.
Miss the deadline, and you'll get late fees.
And things get complicated fast.
Many foreigners ignore the letter because they can't read it, but reminders will come.
And worst of all, unpaid taxes can affect your visa.
That's bad.
When renewing, your resident tax and income tax history is checked. If you haven't paid, renewal gets harder.
Okay, I'm definitely paying.
One more thing. Moving can be confusing. Resident tax is based on where you lived on January 1st. So even if you move from Tokyo to Osaka, you might still get billed from Tokyo.
Wait, I haven't paid yet, Caro. I need to go. I know what to do.
Not again.
I'm going to the convenience store, Caro.
Well, I should head out too.
Wait! That's our only submarine!
How are we getting home?
Need this?
Japanese delivery workers are the best.
Remember, these are the ways you can pay your taxes in Japan. 1. At convenience stores. 2. At banks or ATMs. 3. Through direct debit. And lastly, via smartphone payments.
Always be mindful of your taxes and
Pay your taxes on time.
don't forget to like, subscribe, and save.